Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete Kindle books permanently from your Amazon account and device, follow these step-by-step instructions to remove books from your library. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and go to Amazon.com, then log into your Amazon account. Step 2. Hover over accounts and lists in the top right corner and select Content and Devices from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click on the Books tab to view all Kindle books in your library. Step 4. Locate the book you want to delete permanently from your account. Step 5. Click the three-dot icon, Actions button, next to the book title to open the Options menu. Step 6. Select Delete from Library to permanently remove the book from your Amazon account. Step 7. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes. Delete permanently when prompted to ensure the book is completely removed. Step 8. Note that once deleted, you will need to repurchase the book if you want to access it again in the future. Step 9. On your Kindle device or app, the book will be automatically removed from your library after deletion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.